Introduction to Azure Synapse Link Service. Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics platform that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. A link service in Azure Synapse is a connection to an external data source, such as Azure Storage, Azure Databricks, or an on-premises SQL server. In this tutorial, we will walk through a step-by-step guide to creating an Azure Synapse link service. Step 1. Define the link service. To create a link service, navigate to the Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Manage tab. Then, click on Link Services and select New Link Service. Choose the type of data source you want to connect to, such as Azure Blob Storage or Azure SQL Database. Step 2. Configure the link service. Configure the link service by providing the necessary connection details, such as the account key, server name, and database name. You can also specify additional settings, such as the authentication method and the data format. Step 3. Authenticate the link service. Authenticate the link service by providing the necessary credentials, such as a username and password or an access key. You can also use Azure Active Directory Authentication or Managed Identity Authentication. Step 4. Test the link service. Test the link service by clicking on the Test Connection button. This will verify that the connection is successful and that you can access the data source. Best practices for Azure Synapse link service. When creating an Azure Synapse link service, it is essential to follow best practices, such as using secure authentication methods and limiting access to the data source. You should also monitor the link service for any errors or issues and optimize the performance of the connection. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have walked through a step-by-step guide to creating an Azure Synapse link service. By following these steps and best practices, you can establish a secure and reliable connection to your data sources and start analyzing your data in Azure Synapse. Remember to always use secure authentication methods and monitor the link service for any issues to ensure optimal performance.